I'm joined by Indiana State O-line coach Vince Natale. Let's just get started. Talk about Nick Durheimer.
Nick Durheimer is from New Palestine High School, right outside of Indianapolis, local Indiana kid. Program has been very dominant lately, been to the last 3 state championships, and I believe they've only lost 4 games in the last 3 years, so he's seen a lot of football during his high school time.
Now, how important is it to recruit and get kids signed that come from winning programs and know how to win?
With Nick specifically, he comes from a complex offense, which is a good thing considering how we run our offense here at Indiana State. But on top of that, he's going to bring a winning attitude. Kids that or young men that come from a program like that, they understand the sacrifice that needs to be made. They understand that success just doesn't happen. A program like that preaches accountability, not only in the classroom, but the weight room, the practice, and all that shows up in games as well. So.
Now we talk about the intangibles with Nick, but talk us about some of the tangibles that he possesses.
He's a long, athletic kid. He's very physical at the line of scrimmage, which is something I look for and something you can see on tape. Gives great effort to finish plays, and I think he has a very bright future for us as the left tackle here at Indiana State.
Now, what was the recruiting process like for him?
We watched his junior film. We've been on him from very early. He committed to us very early, loved the program, loved the kind of program that we run here at Indiana State. Parents were great. His little sister Scarlett was part of the visit here. And the thing that stood out to us about his family is they are an offensive line family. They do understand the things. They took in the other linemen at New Palestine and fed them dinner, and if they want to continue to do that here at Indiana State, we've got no problem with that.
Is she a good cook?
Yes, very good. I've gotten to experience it myself.
Excellent. Well, we're looking forward to see what Nick Durheimer does for the Indiana State Sycamores on this 2016 signing day.